Victor Lim for his opening statement.
Our dear friends from the media, my colleagues from the Federation, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Inc., FFCCCII, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to the launching of our TikTok video competition, a classroom for every dream. How the FFCCCII Barrio School have changed life. The operation of Barrio School is our flagship project of the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber. It's already 65th anniversary since 1961. So this year we are commemorating the 65th anniversary for launching this TikTok about the Barrio School. So it's a very important event. So we hope the major people can help our federation in promoting this TikTok competition. This competition is composed of I think 18 age above, so they can join this competition of the two categories. It will be announced by our Vice President and our Chairman of the Media Committee for the category of how they implement our competition. So thank you very much for coming this afternoon. We are so overwhelmed by all the media people here. So thank you again very much.
Youngest Vice President of FFCCCII.
Thank you, Chairman Wilson. Youngest pero not so young anymore. Anyway, as our President said earlier, this project is close to our heart, and this is what Filipino Chinese chambers of all over the Philippines do to help our fellow Filipino brothers and sisters. Because ang sabi nga nila dati, we are here, we are born here, we make our business here, we are live and die here, sabi ni our passion, sabi ni President Victoria. Kaya with this, hopefully, little help, tulong-tulong, sabi kanila, di ba? 6,100 o 200 is 2004. Ngayon, we already reached 6,500 2 years. Kaya hopefully, tuloy-tuloy pa rin with the help of lahat ng federation, not only us, for aparihang tumulong sa atin isang evaluation. Hopefully, we can do our little part to help our economy and our policies. Thank you.
The Youth Committee Chairman Peter Mangasing for some of the details of this very exciting competition. Magkano total prizes? I-mention mo rin ha, Mr. Mangasing.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maybe you might be asking, why do we have this campaign? No? This TikTok video competition part 2 aims to share inspiring stories from FFCCCII Barrio schools. No? It also highlights how education can transform lives and communities. Likewise, encourage digital storytelling among youth and the public, and also raise awareness of the impact of Barrio Schools initiative. Through authentic stories, the competition celebrates the transformative power of education. So dyan nakikita, pag mayroong eskwelahan sa mga baryo, nagkakaroon ng pag-asa, nagkakaroon ng hope, at yun na nilang mga pinapangarap nangyayari. No? For this competition natin, meron tayong dalawang kategory. Category A and Category B. The Category A is My FFCCII Barrio Schools Journey. Ang mga storya nito is personal stories from individuals directly connected to the FFCCII Barrio Schools. So, ibig sabihin niya, under category A, ang pwedeng sumali mga estudyante, alumni, teachers, school staff, no? Ang age limit nito is we allow as young as 13 years old hanggang 100 years old, no? So, sa category B naman, this is the FFCCI Values School Story. It's a open storytelling category for the general public. So, ibig sabihin nito, participants may showcase the broader impact of the Values Schools initiative. So, mga professionals, mga vloggers, they can all participate. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairman Peter Mangas will speak.
Good afternoon lahat, sa lahat na guest. So, about sa content focus, ano yung tinitingnan natin content na hinahanap natin sa mga videos? So, entry should highlight the impact of FFCCCII various school initiatives such as how the FFCCCII various school changed a life or created opportunities, how the school contributed to personal growth, values, information, future aspiration, or national progress. How the initiative positively affected a person, a family, or a community. The long-term educational or social impact of the program. So about sa video guidelines naman, participants must submit a TikTok video with the following specifications. First, the duration is 1 to 2 minutes only. 2, the format should be vertical video suitable for TikTok. 3, file format must be in MP4. Then language, any language allowed, English, subtitle required. So pwede Tagalog, pwede English. All entries must be original content created for this competition.
Thank you very much, Co-Chairman Jason Che. All languages ha, pwede Ilonggo, pwede Bicolano, Ilonggo.
Good afternoon. How to join? Dun sa poster na ibibigay sa inyo, may QR code. You just need to scan the QR code and then pag-scan nyo, nandun yung mechanics and then nandun na rin yung registration form. You will just choose if category A or category B kayo. A yung everyone na may involvement sa various school, nag-aral or naging alumni, kahit nagtrabaho. And then B, category B, yung mga may inspiration lang or may storya regarding dito sa mga various school. And then, bawal siya i-post ng public. Ang public posting lang natin is from May 5 to May 15 only para maging fair to everyone. And then just put the hashtag my various school journey. If my FFCCCII various school journey kung category A, category B naman is the FFCCCII various school story. And then our judging criteria, relevance to the team 35%, creativity 25%, the message or story 25%, technical quality 15%. And then the prizes. The prizes are over 850,000. So it will be equally divided, category A and category B. The grand prize, each category is 120,000. Second prize is 80,000 and the third is 50,000 per category. And then we have many different citations depending on the video. It will be 30,000 each and there will be 20 notable entries. So marami ring percent yung mga prizes so everyone has a chance to win. The announcement of winners will be June 8, but the submission deadline is until May 15 and awarding will be June 20. Any questions?